Getting your face ready after a busy hot day is all you need for the night.
So this is how I used my rice water in my steamer today, and I hope you really enjoyed it. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe, share, and tell me what you think. Are you gonna try this out?
So today is day 3 of me using rice water. Okay, so and I'm gonna be using this for my night routine. You can see that it's night, and this is actually our facial sauna steamer. Last time I talked to you guys about the steamer, so I'll be taking out that so you can see. So this is what I'll literally use. So you have something like this. You can apply on, you can put on your hair. And so my facial brush here, and then yeah, these are the different types of masks in my hair. And so we have it here for jelly mask, rose, lavender, hyaluronic acid, and this is it here. And here with me, I do have my, so we go hard. And here I have my brush. So if I need any mask, I need to apply any mask. I'm going to use this. Oh, we have the collagen jelly mask here as well. So scissors here, just in case. And this is for picking acne for those of you who have acne. There we go. And here is a card for those of you who really want to see how it looks like. And yeah. So this is it, and this is a manual for those of you who know how to do the forehead. So this is what you're going to see here. And so take the camera back so you guys can see what we all have here. So this is what we have. And so we have this thing to put on your hand. You know how it is. So this is all over in like, okay. So enough with it. So now I'm gonna go ahead to do my facial and my night routine here with you guys, and we're gonna be using some of this mask to do just that. Okay. So first, I'm gonna use my rice water. Yeah. So let me go ahead and put rice water in here because that's what we need. So see, and this is my rice water here. Okay. Remember, I soaked this rice water, and let's put it here. Okay, and let's go ahead to close this up. Okay, and mind you, this is it. So we soak it here. The plug. Okay, so all you need to do is to turn it on. Okay, I don't know how it is, but let's just wait and see. So while we are trying to wait, so it's actually prepping itself to boil, and then I'll go ahead with this. So let's go ahead with the black soap. I like using my black soap, and here with me, I put this up. before coming back. So let's go ahead and steam. Remember, I'm steaming with rice water. And so guys, this is definitely how you steam your, so this is how I used my rice water in my steamer today, and I hope you really enjoyed it. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe, share, and tell me what you think. Are you gonna try this out? So easy and quick. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. So I'll use this for my face. And this is the outcome, guys. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. See ya.